Anupma this side, Anupma Jain, and currently I'm going to show you something which you will feel very excited. So let's start the topic which I'm just going to show you. Okay, I'm starting with sharing my screen once by which I can show you something interesting. Just give me a second. See, it is Minecraft Education Edition. Basically, you have, I believe you all have heard game which students are used to play. They are just placing some blocks and they are just creating something of their own. But that is a kind of game. But we can indulge that kind of platform in our education field also, and that is possible because of the Microsoft, as Microsoft has introduced this particular thing for education purpose also. So first of all, I just want to give you a small brief about Minecraft. See, in Minecraft, as its name itself says, mine means something or some place, you can say, from where we can dig something, or where from where we can find out some kind of minerals like coal or some other kind of minerals which we can find out, or some other valuable kind of resource, right? If we want to dig, so it means we need to dig a place and we need to make a mine, right? In the same way, if we want that something to be dig into our mind, or our imagination or creative power can be enhanced somehow, so that can be done via this particular platform, right? So I am just going to introduce you which kind of platform you will able to see, but all things you can do via this mode. I'm just going to show you all those things, but before that, before showing you the to the original screen, I just want to give you the intro by which, if you are just if you are the beginner, how you can proceed further. So I'm showing you some one slide for that. Just give me a moment. See, basically, Minecraft is a kind of platform in which we need to create different kinds of world, in which a child, a small child from 8 years of age till any kind of age, till any age, he or she can create anything in that particular platform, anything. If you want to create a building, you can create. If you want to create a museum, you can create. If you want to create a,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes
Sorry
ma'am.
to disturb you. Your screen is not visible.
Is it? Just give me a moment,
No,
ma'am. Let
no.
Yes.
It's clear Minecraft Education Edition. Visible, ma'am.
Your
visible, ma'am.
screen is visible. Visible,
Okay.
clearly
Your
visible.
screen is okay. Visible. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Okay, I'm sharing it once more. If she is facing some problem, maybe possible some network problem is there, but still, for her, I'm just sharing my screen once more. I want your thumbs up if you are able to see it. Please show me a thumbs up, please. If my screen is visible to you. Okay, fine. Now, I just a second. See, basically, Minecraft is a kind of education edition which has been introduced by someone, but it has been overtaken by your Microsoft. And if you want to download this particular software at your end, for this you need to follow this link. This is education.minecraft.net. If you will click onto this link, you will able to if you will able to download this particular Microsoft Education Edition at your end. For this, you should have a Microsoft account first. If you are having a Microsoft account, you can easily able to access this particular account. Otherwise, if you are using some other email account like Gmail or some other, then you need to pay something. But that for that Microsoft has made some plan which you need to which you need to follow. Basically, Minecraft is meant for different kind of platform. Basically, it is very suitable for Windows. You can use it on Windows easily. If you want to work with Mac, you can work with Mac also. If you want to use it on Chromebook, you can access it on iPad also. So basically, these are the platform where you can use this Minecraft Education Edition. And for this, if you want to copy this link, you can copy it. I'm just pasting this link in the chat for your purpose, by which you can have a, you can, you can use this particular thing. Just a second, I'm copying this and pasting it for your reference. Just give me a moment. Just give me a second. I'm having a little bit net problem at my end, so I'm sorry for the upcoming screen in between. This is the link from where you can download this particular software. Okay, now I'm taking you to the original screen using which you can create different kind of innovative ideas. So I'm coming to that screen, just a second. For this, basically, when you will download this particular software and when you will install it onto your system, it is the first screen after your login. You will get this first screen, right? And basically, what all things you can do is that you can create different kinds of words. Uh, let's start. I'm just giving you one small demo. When you will click on play, you will get some options like view my words, view library. View my words will show you all the words which you have created. For example, as I have worked on some words, so it is showing all those words over here, right? But if you want to create a word of your own choice, then what you need to do, you simply need to click on new word. You can click on new also, but if you want to create some any word using any template, then you can use any template as well. So here what I'm doing is I'm choosing one template from here, that is block of grass. When I will click this, it will ask me to play. I'm just clicking it. Ground of grass, where I can do any kind of thing, any kind of thing. See, basically the gun like structure which is moving, if you are seeing view of this, and this is nothing, this is our player only, right? And see, you can do 2 to 3 things over here. What things you can do is, first of all, you, as the name is Minecraft itself, it means you can mine, you can dig something. For mining, what you need to do, you need to take care of this plus symbol. Wherever this plus symbol will be located, you dig it over there. You can make a mine over there. See, if even the mouse cursor, if you are observing on the left hand side, it is showing that the mouse button, left mouse button need to be clicked over here. What you need to do, simply click it. See, if you will click once, it will make a dig for you. It will dug for you. And see, you can do as much as you can, but I believe last at least at max you can dig it for 3 times only. Okay, at most. So what you need, and even what for this particular thing you need to left click, right? Now there are certain commands, I'm just going to tell you those things. Mining I already told you, but let's suppose you want to place something over here. For that particular thing you need some material. The question arises that from where you can get that particular material, and for that there is one inventory into this particular platform which you can use, and for that you need to use one shortcut key, that is E. So I'm just pressing E on my keyboard, and you can see there is a lot of lot of infrastructure is present over here, and I can use anything from here. Even I can use any particular structure. For example, if I want to take this wood plank, I can take, or even if I want to take any other thing, let's say grass like thing, this one if I'm selecting green wood, so I can select. See, what I need to do is I simply need to click this and I need to place it over here. Let's say anybody is asking. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Shankla this side, मैम. उसके लिए आपने कौन सी की प्रेस की थी? E कैसे आया था मैम?
E,
ये बताइए.
ma'am, ma'am, E press किया है मैंने, and after, yeah, E for elephant, ma'am.
मैम बस 1 मिनट, बस हल्का सा 1 मिनट के लिए पीछे से एक बार बता दीजिए मैम. ये वाला
Yeah, sure, ma'am, sure, ma'am, sure. I'm just repeating my words. See, what I have done is I need to, if let's say I want to place something over here, right? And now whatever material I need, for that I need some material, right? For that I need to go in the inventory. For that particular thing, see on the left hand side on my screen, you can see that there are certain command shortcut commands are over there, WASAD space, and even other also. See, for opening any inventory, what you need to do is you need to click on E for elephant. If you will click E, you will able to see different kinds of blocks present over here, which you can use. Let's say if you want to use stair, you can use that one also. If you want to use any door, you can use that door also. If you want to use any wall, you can use wall also. So what I'm doing is I'm just dragging this wall over here, and similarly I'm just taking one door also. I'm taking one door also and one more block also, right? So I have taken 4 items currently and I'm going to use this. But before putting these things over here, I forget to tell you 4 commands also, that is WSAD. See, if I want to move further, I need to press W on my keyboard. See, I'm just moving it. I'm sorry. Just a second. I'm moving my cursor back. And for moving backward, for that purpose, you need to use S. Just a second. It is little bit. Just a second. I'm mistakenly put down myself in the hole. I'm coming outside of it. Just a second. Yeah. See, for example, if I want to, let's say I want to move further, I need to go, I need to press W. See, I'm moving further. If I want to move backward, I need to press the S.
space now.
With space, ma'am. I'm telling. Just give me a moment. I'm just explaining 4 commands, 4 to 5 commands. I'm explaining. Give me a second. W is for moving forward. S is for moving backward. A is moving left. D is for moving on the right hand side. These are the 4 commands which generally we are using. Even space key is there. Space is mainly used for 2 things. One is for flying and another for jumping also. Sometimes we need to jump also. If we want to jump, then we need to press space 1 time only, right? And if we want to fly, then we need to double click space twice at least. So let's say if I want to if I want to fly, see, I am flying right now. I'm on the downs, and if I want to fly, see, my player is going up. See, just have a look. It is moving, right? But if I want to go down, I can press shift, and when I will press shift, I will come down the floor, right? So these are the small commands which we need to use over here. So first of all, I just want to ask whether this thing is clear to each and everybody or not, or is there any question till here in any of these six command which I just told? Any of you? If this thing is clear to you, I request you to please share your thumbs up, by which I can understand this thing that it is clear. Okay, Shrinkla ma'am is saying yes. Okay, good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, now I'm just moving further onto my screen. See, as I need to duck something and I need to place something over there. So what I'm doing is I'm just, I'm going there, and first of all, I need to move down as I need to make a target, right? Now I'm pressing left click on my screen. See, 1, 2, 3. I told you that at least 3 times you can dig. After 3 or 4 times, you cannot dig any further. See, hole is coming in between. So if you want to place something over here, what you need to do? See, inventory is coming in the bottom. If you can see, there are inventories coming. But which particular material you need to use? You need to use by your, by some numbers on the keyboard. See, grass block is present in the inventory right now on the first number. So if you want to place this particular, grass block over here, you can place it by first key. So what I'm doing is I'm placing it once, and for that, if you are seeing on the screen on the right side, the right click is visible to me. I have pressed right click here over here. That's why it is placed now. See, if I will press double click, it will, I will press left click, it will dig the hole. If I will press right click, it will place my blocks over here. So similarly, I can place anywhere as I want. Okay, na? Similarly, if I want to put the brick, construction wall over here, then what I need to do, see that is on the second option, so I need to press second. It means red wall will be placed now. So if I will press right click over here, see the wall is placed now. Just have a look. ठीक है ना? So in this way you can place your things. You can place, see, 4, I have clicked on 4, that's why this particular 4th item is selected. And now target the place and just right click, see that particular thing is placed. So basically what things you can do is you can create, you can use your mind, and even you can ask your student to create in the same manner. So I hope this thing is clear to each and everybody till here. I just want your thumbs up if clear, or please raise your hand if you are having any query till here. Request you to please share your views. Please share your thumbs up, please.
Carry
If
on,
clear.
carry.
Okay,
Carry.
okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay. So basically, as much as we want, right? But as per education purpose also, I'm just going to tell you one, that if you want that something specific to your subject should be taught, so what you need to do is, I'm just there, I'm just exiting this particular part, I'm saving it and exiting from here. See, there is one more option, that is view library. When you will click this view library, there are different kinds of options which you can use. For example, if I am clicking on this lessons tab, see some lessons related to science will be present over here in this option. Similar, some options related to maths will be present over here, for computers also, for other subject also. If you will look, art and design, history and culture, language art, and others too. For example, I am showing you one. For example, I'm just taking science for instance. And inside science, when I'm clicked, I have other 5 options have been clicked now. And here I can click on biology tab, let's say. In the biology also, there are certain options which you can teach your student, like animal cell tour, build with bees, or anyone else. Let's say I'm just choosing circulatory system right now. See, when this particular system, and if I'm just clicking this create word, what will happen? One word will be opened in front of us, which via which we can teach our students. Just have a look, I'm showing it to you. See, there is one person whose name is Greta. You need to talk to him. See, on the right hand side, you can see on the mouse itself, it is showing the right button you need to use if you want to talk to him. So firstly, I'm just moving forward toward Greta using W key, and a little bit I should move back. And now I'm pressing right click on my screen. It is saying welcome. Below is a model of the circulatory system. We hope it helps you to learn how and why blood flows in the body. Talk to the characters and talk to the characters for informations, cameras, and minecarts. I can teleport you to the following places. Basically, these are certain options using which you can go inside that particular organ. Currently, we are learning about circulatory system, so you need to click on any of the option. For example, currently I'm clicking on this right atrium. See, right now, if you observe, we are inside the heart, or we are inside the right atrium currently. And now, if you want to give the knowledge of right atrium to your student, what exactly we can do via this, so we can use this particular platform very easily. Now, what you need to do is you simply need to go to this player. So I'm just moving further. And here what you can do, you can talk. I'm just right clicking over here and see, again certain options are coming for which you can take the help of it. When I will click this right atrium, what will happen, it will take me to a YouTube link related to this particular particular, just taking this, I'm just sharing my screen once again, by which you can hear the sound also. Just give me a second, I'm sharing my screen once more. Give me a second. Just a second. See, now this time I want Shrinkla ma'am to answer. Ma'am, I'm just clicking on those links. I'm just talking to him first. And I'm clicking on this. Shrinkla ma'am, request you to please let me know whether the voice of the video is coming or not. I'm just moving further.
गेस्ट बढ़ गए हैं.
Just a second. It is advertisement. Just give me a second. It is.
कितना मैदा, कितनी शुगर.
Everyone, this is Matt from KenHub, and in this tutorial, we will focus.
Shrinkla ma'am, request you to please confirm whether you are getting the voice.
Ma'am, yes, 100%.
Oh,
on the right atrium of the heart. The atria of the heart, which are known singularly as an atrium, are a pair of blood-collecting chambers that comprise 2 of the 4 chambers of the heart. The main function of the atria is to facilitate circulation by rhythmically contracting and relaxing their walls, pushing the blood that is returned to them via the major venous vessels during ventricular systole into the ventricles. The right atrium is situated just above the right ventricle of.
So basically, in this way, you can discuss all the chapters related to your students. So I hope this thing is clear to everyone. I want your thumbs up by which I can understand whether you are getting or not getting, please. Sujata ma'am, okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Any other questions, ma'am? Any questions, ma'am? No questions? Can I have any question if you are having? No questions. Okay. Fine, ma'am. Requesting you everyone to, I'm just sharing my redemption code with you all. I request you all to just redeem it once. I'm sharing my screen with you. Give me a second. Just a second. The code is TAGJE 6D9321. I want you all to please redeem it by using my folded hand. Please redeem it and please reply it in the chat as done or redemption done.
I request all the teachers to redeem the code, please, because again, yesterday there were many teachers who did not redeem the code. So there is no point attending the meeting if you're not redeeming the code. And it will take 1 minute only. And if you have not understood the procedure how to redeem it, please ask us. We'll be happy to help you.
I'm sharing the code in the chat box also. If you are getting any problem over from here, so you can copy it from there as well. I'm just sharing it in this chat. I request everybody to please redeem it.
Ma'am, please share again. Thank you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'm sharing it once more in the chat. I have shared it once again. You can copy it from there as well, ma'am.
Ma'am, not accessible to chat box.
Okay, is it like this? Okay, I'm sharing the screen, ma'am. You can copy it from there as well. Just a second. I'm doing.
Ma'am, I have reading the course, but it's not coming in transcript or in batches. Like previous code, I could see in the transcript form. So
Ma'am,
is
just
it
give me a
okay?
second. Ma'am,
They
have
have
you got
provided-
any message? Have you
It is
got any
giving
message,
batches
ma'am?
for this Minecraft.
They are giving batches.
Anupama, ma'am, I send you on your personal window.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
have
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Anupama ma'am, we have
Okay.
earned, I think, 12 matches with this.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I'm not
because
sure.
there
I
are
have.
3